How to make $100,000 per year as a freelancer.
Here's the 7-step process. Let's talk about it in detail. Step 1, pick your favorite niche. Be known for max 1 or 2 things. Don't confuse your clients. For example, people know me for high ticket sales and Instagram marketing. Step number 2 is daily videos. You want to be at the top of the mind of people every single day with your video content, short form video content on all platforms. Step 3, build relationships via DMs, comments, by reaching out to people and increasing your network. Step number 4 is generate calls. Go on calls and convert your clients on calls. I do not recommend sending proposals after the call. I recommend handling all the client objections right on the call and pitching your offer, high ticket offer, right on the call. Step number 5, do a good job when the project starts. Give your best, get results for them, and get testimonials, because testimonials are the true currency for a freelancer. You can use it to get more projects in the future. Step 6, ask for referrals. Give your clients a 10% discount in exchange for them referring their friend to you. This is my favorite one. Step 7, increase prices with each client so that you don't get stuck with that price and you're able to charge your worth with every upskill you get. Repeat the process. If you charge $2,000 for 5 clients, that makes it $120K per year.